Just now, James Webb Telescope receives sudden alarming signal from Andromeda Galaxy. Welcome to another captivating episode of Uncovered History. Today, we're diving deep into the enigmatic Andromeda Galaxy, revealing astonishing revelations that will change the way you gaze at the night sky. But before we embark on this cosmic journey, let's take a moment to appreciate how far we've come in understanding the universe. Just a century ago, our ancestors gazed at the night sky, seeing the Milky Way as a delicate streak of light. It was a blurry, ghostly band, masking the true brilliance beneath. Many believed it to be the nexus where our world met the divine, the heart of all creation. But one man changed everything: Galileo Galilei. Using an early version of the telescope in the 17th century, he made a shocking revelation. The Milky Way wasn't just a faint white strip. It was a vast collection of billions of stars, planets, and celestial wonders. Now, brace yourself for this. The closest galaxy to us is the Andromeda Galaxy, and there are approximately 100 billion galaxies just like ours in the visible universe. The plot thickens as we once believed the Milky Way to be the center of the universe, a special place. But Galileo's findings dropped a bombshell. The Milky Way wasn't the center of anything. It was merely an enormous collection of stars sprinkled across the vastness of space. In 1750, English astronomer Thomas Wright added another layer of complexity to our understanding. He proposed that the Milky Way was not just a chaotic mess of stars, but a flat layer, and he even suggested that a part of it was our very own solar system. Our understanding was so limited back then, due to the technology of the time, but the universe had more secrets to reveal. Fast forward to the roaring 1920s, and enter Edwin Hubble, an American astronomer with a brilliant mind and a colossal telescope. Using the Hooker telescope, he made a jaw-dropping discovery that would reshape our understanding of the cosmos. Those fuzzy, distant shapes in the night sky. They weren't part of our Milky Way. They were entirely separate galaxies, each containing billions of stars. One of those galaxies was the Andromeda Galaxy, also known as M31. But here's the twist. People had been observing Andromeda for centuries. In the 10th century, Persian astronomer Abdul Rahman al-Sufi saw it without any fancy telescopes, describing it as a little cloud. In the 1600s, some Marius took a closer look using a telescope and provided more details. Finally, in 1764, Charles Messier named it M31, unaware of al-Sufi's earlier sighting. Now, the real thrill begins. In 1864, the Englishman William Huggins examined Andromeda's light and realized something wild. Its light was distinct from other celestial objects. This was the moment when the world began to understand the real magic of Andromeda. But here's the biggest shocker of all. Andromeda is massive, and I mean truly massive. Imagine our sun, and then picture a mass between 1 and 2 trillion times bigger than that. Yes, that's Andromeda for you. It's not just big, it's also incredibly ancient, dating back around 10 billion years. But here's where things get even more intriguing. Researchers have a mind-blowing theory that Andromeda might have formed through the collaboration of several smaller galaxies over billions of years, like a cosmic team-up. Over billions of years, galaxies have been on a cosmic collision course, coming together to create the massive Andromeda we know today. Picture it like two colossal cosmic whirlpools slowly merging, a dance so slow we can't see it happening in real time. By the time we notice any change, a significant part of the merger has already taken place. Now, remember how we always thought Andromeda was the big brother, towering over our Milky Way? Well, think again. Recent discoveries have challenged that belief. Scientists now think that our Milky Way might be just as massive as Andromeda. Yes, Earthlings, your little sibling isn't so little after all. To put it into perspective, Andromeda stretches its arms wider, boasting a diameter of about 220,000 light-years, while our Milky Way measures between 100,000 to 175,000 light-years. It's like comparing a sprawling city to a densely packed one. Now, measuring these galactic giants is no easy task. They're filled with stars, gas, dust, and mysterious dark matter. Accurately gauging their mass is like trying to count every grain of sand on a beach, but with some added cosmic challenges. You know, folks, precise measurements of galaxies weren't even possible in the 1700s or 1800s. It took modern-day tools to shed light on this astounding truth. Hold on to your space helmets, because we're about to delve into Andromeda's Erie Center. It's not just any heart. It's an active galactic nucleus, or AGN, powered by a supermassive black hole. Imagine something weighing 110 to 230 million times more than our Sun. Now, that's a heavy hitter. Most galaxies, including our Milky Way, have these colossal black holes at their cores, and they play a vital role in shaping their future. When stars or gases get too close to these black holes, they don't just get swallowed. They create a spinning, heated ring called an accretion disk. It's like a neon sign in space, shining intensely across the universe. But what about the second, even brighter light in Andromeda's center? Well, hold on to your cosmic hats, because it's a stellar dance floor. As stars orbit this colossal black hole, they're not moving in simple circles. They follow stretched-out paths, and there's a moment in their journey known as the perihelion. At this point, stars swing closest to the black hole, and the gravitational pull is mind-bogglingly strong. It's like the universe's most intense magnet, pulling them closer, making them hustle and huddle together. So every time we gaze at those twin lights in Andromeda's heart, we're witnessing a stellar dance around a monstrous black hole. It's a performance billions of years in the making, revealing secrets of how stars and black holes play together in the vast cosmic playground. And the best part, this cosmic show is happening right in our galactic backyard. Talk about a cosmic shocker. But wait, there's more. Andromeda hides another jaw-dropping secret in its mesmerizing beauty. A treasure trove of globular clusters. These are like tight-knit communities of stars that orbit around the heart of the galaxy, around 460 of them, each jam-packed with hundreds of thousands to millions of stars, all born around the same era. The staggering number of these clusters reveals mind-blowing tales about Andromeda's cosmic past. It seems this galaxy is the ultimate cosmic bully, gobbling up smaller galaxies that dared to come too close. This act, known as galactic cannibalism, sees Andromeda's immense gravity stripping stars from these smaller galaxies. These stars join Andromeda's already vast community of stars, like a collector adding to its stash of stars and clusters. Hold on tight, because here's the biggest bombshell of them all. Some experts now think Andromeda is transforming into mysterious ring galaxy. These are the unicorns of the universe. They shine brightly with young, blue stars in a ring formation, while their centers remain dark and mysterious, making them stand out like cosmic celebrities. There are different types, too: nuclear, inner, outer, O-type, and P-type. So how do these celestial wonders come into existence? Well, there are two primary theories: cosmic crashes and smaller galaxies zooming through bigger ones. And here's the kicker. Our Milky Way and Andromeda are on a collision course. Yes, you heard that right. They're set to collide and transform into a mega-galaxy, often called Milkometer or Milkdromeda. When galaxies clash, it's not just a dance of stars. The Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy are on a collision course. Imagine two massive whirlpools of stars, black holes, and gas spiraling into one another. At the heart of both these galaxies, there are supermassive black holes, like monstrous cosmic drains. During the collision, they'll join forces, creating an even mightier black hole. It's like an otherworldly fireworks show. But the true spectacle isn't just up in the stars. As these galaxies tangle, the night sky we've known forever will change dramatically. New constellations will light up our nights, and the sky will dazzle with new star clusters and radiant bursts. However, this isn't just about a shifting light show. The stakes are much higher. With this grand cosmic dance, Earth won't remain unaffected. The very environment of our planet undergoing vast changes because of these distant celestial events. The regions where life thrives might be shaken up, leading to altered habitats and even local extinctions. Our weather patterns could go haywire, with sudden changes in temperature and rainfall. Plants and animals could struggle to adapt, causing disruptions in the delicate balance of our ecosystems. Our ozone layer, vital for shielding life on Earth, might even be at risk due to increased cosmic radiation. The variety of species in an ecosystem, known as biodiversity, could drastically change. Some animals might rise to the top, thriving in this new world, while others might find themselves struggling to survive, leading to local extinctions. Now, about this cosmic dance between the Andromeda galaxy and our Milky Way. As they come together, stars, gas, and dust will interact in a magnificent ballet, forging a new galactic structure unlike anything we've ever seen. This impending collision between the Milky Way and the Andromeda galaxy, expected to occur in about 4 billion years, has been a source of intrigue and speculation for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. From the standpoint of space travel, this cosmic dance between galaxies presents both obstacles and opportunities. Habitats or outposts developed in the intervening millennia in certain star systems could face existential threats as stars, dust, and gas clouds interact and collide. On the other hand, the merger could open up new areas of the combined galaxy for exploration and colonization. There could be a renaissance of space exploration and colonization, as previously unreachable or unknown zones become accessible. Moreover, the collision might also provide first-hand insights into stellar evolution, planetary formation, and even the mysteries surrounding dark matter. Observing such a grand event from within could lead to groundbreaking discoveries. The universe is filled with mysteries, wonders, and shocking events waiting to unfold. While we might not be around to witness this galactic collision, just knowing that such a spectacular dance of stars will occur is both intriguing and mind-boggling. That's it for today's episode. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing space content.